My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Tick Tab Clock. This is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it will help you keep track of the time while enjoying a soothing new tab design. But actually, this Tick Tab Clock is a new tab replacer. So in other words, it operates as a browser hijacker. So you try to open this specific tab, and then you notice that you no longer open the blank tab, but you see this tick tab clock. Also, this extension is able to periodically display its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove this extension. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.